Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about EZO LCD FlexScan EV2490. So friend, EZO announced a 23.8-inch high-end monitor under the label FlexScan EV2490 which is equipped with multi-dock function for a USB Type-C connection. And friend, this liquid crystal display comes with highest functionality in FlexScan series. And friend, just connect to notebook PC with a Type-C cable. And friend, in addition to screen display and audio playback, up to 70 watt USB PD power supply, 4 port USB hub and wireline function are available. And friend, another advantage is that you can easily build a multi-monitor environment by supporting daily chains. And friend, the functionality of today's mobile notebooks which have few interfaces can be greatly expanded. And friend, the display resolution supports Full HD of 1920 into 1080 dots. And friend, it is a small model of 27-inch WQHD FlexScan EV2795 and 24.1-inch WUXGA FlexScan EV2495, and it is possible to select the size according to the working style. The 27-inch FlexScan EV2781 was also released at the same time as a display that can connect it to a notebook PC with single Type-C cable. And friend, it is standard model equipped with carefully selected function of top series 27-inch model FlexScan EV2795, and friend, equipped with screen display, audio playback, USB PD power supply of up to 70 watts and 4 port USB hub function. And friend, the display resolution corresponds to 2560 into 1440 dots. And friend, the pricing sits roughly at $439. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.